Hey guys, it's Pat here, and happy Independence Day, everybody. Yeah, I hope you go eat a lot of food, you see a lot of fireworks, have a lot of fun. It's Independence Day. If you're in summer school, you get the day off, so have fun with your friends, you know? But anyway, I actually went to go see some fireworks on Saturday, and the fireworks show was actually really awesome. There was this huge time where there was basically just one firework shooting out at a time, but there were a few cool spots in this thing, and I was able to get my phone out and I was able to record it, and I wanted to show it to you guys. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and roll some of the fireworks show I saw last night. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Happy Independence Day. I hope you really liked it. Yeah, I thought it was a really cool show, so I wanted to share it with you guys. But with that being said, it's going to really wrap this up. Have a nice Independence Day, and stay safe.